It's from, we don't know how many births. The seed of our bhakti has been growing for how many births? Sweden, Russia, this, there, India, America, this, that. Who knows? The history of the jiva, and who we worship and what form we're in. You see Aghasura is like this, a big python. But he's sitting with Kamsa, and he's got a beautiful golden form. He's a king from Madhya Pradesh. And he had Asta cities. All these demons were kings. They were conquered by Kamsa. They would sit and drink wine together. They said, "Look, can you do me a favor?" He said, everybody who sinned over there dies. Okay, we'll go. Well, have you sinned anybody as a snake? No. Okay, I'll go as a snake. So he became a snake. Baka, they're two brothers and one sister. Putana is their sister. She was a Rakshashi her whole life. She was human, and she could be very beautiful like a demigoddess, and that's how she got into see Krishna. Look like Lakshmi Devi. They thought she was. So this must be Lakshmi, because Garga Rishi said our son is an Amsha Narayan. It says in Sanskrit, Garga Muni said, Narayana Sama. Narayana Sama means your son will be like Narayan. Of course he is Narayan. He'll be like Narayan. Narayana Sama. So I thought, he said Narayan. This must be Lakshmi coming to see Narayan. It was Putana. So she was human, just slightly. But these kings, they were kings, and they were powerful. But he beat them all up and said, you work for me. But they were his ministers. So then he said, "Can you do this?" "Yeah, I'll become a python, a huge python, because it's called Mahima City. Prapti City means any form you want, and Mahima as big as you want. Hanuman had all his powers. Hanuman comes so small.